morning, folks. Are reporting live from the Mother of Presidents State, located in the Commonwealth of Virginia. Deer in the way. Hold on, folks. There's deer in the road. There are multiple deer. Holy moly. We're good. Everything's good. Let's restart that. Headed today towards the Omni Homestead Ski Slopes, located at the Omni Homestead Resort, located in Hot Springs, Virginia. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Today we're working with 700 feet of vertical. I believe they have about 8 trails there. They have 2 lifts total, but this is the 4th and final resort here in Virginia. You don't have to stay at the resort to ski on these slopes, and I think that's a big misconception that steers people away from coming out here, but I believe it's pretty beginner friendly, and their lift ticket is cheap. I mean, honestly, I paid like $45 to go out here and ski today. Looking forward to getting out there today on the hill. Excited to shred some turns, and let's get ripping. Well, we're all wrapped up here at the Omni Homestead Ski Slopes here in Hot Springs, Virginia. What a day it was out there. Had a great time. I'm going to give this place a 3.0 shred score. Give it 5 stars for learners. This might replace Bryce Resort as the learner's paradise here. So if you have a family, if you've never skied before, come on out to the Omni Homestead. You don't even have to stay here. They take care of you. It's a great place. The rental line, there's no lines here. Honestly, the slopes are empty, so it gives you confidence to go down. They'll give you one-on-one to put on the boots, like they have time with you. So if you've never skied before, or you're interested in skiing, or you have a full family and not everyone's on the same level, there's still some good trails. I hope y'all enjoyed these videos this week. Had fun filming them and whatnot, getting out to, skiing is skiing, right? So regardless of where we're headed in the Mid-Atlantic, it's always a great time. I always have fun. It always puts a smile on my face. So looking forward to getting my next hill. Not sure where it's going to be, but I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll see y'all next time.